哎，大家好，我们今天用一只超可爱的猫叫声，轻松学几个常见的音乐特效英文单词，一起来看看吧。One, reverb, reverb. Two, delay, delay. Three, pitch shift, pitch shift. Four, distortion, distortion. 最后 Number 5, flanger, flanger. Alright, 希望你们长知识了，下次见，拜拜 guys, peace.